Hello everyone. Today let's talk about shop and commercial establishment in India. Shop and commercial establishment is governed by Shop Act registration in India. Whether you own a shop, office or a commercial establishment, you should not skip this video. Shop Act registration is a state level license under the Shop and Establishment Act. It governs working condition, employee rights and business operations for shops, offices, restaurants, hotels and other commercial spaces. In simple words, it's a legal license that not only gives you a business identity, but it also ensures you are running it within the framework of labor laws. Whether you run a retail shop or a wholesale business, consultancy, cafe or even a online business within physical office, Shop Act registration isn't mandatory. It applies to both small and large businesses. You may be thinking that how to apply for this Shop Act registration. Most states provides online registration through their labor department portals. You need to fill out a form and submit documents like PAN, Aadhaar, proof of business premises and photographs and employee details. After verification, you'll receive a Shop Act license certificate. Registration is just a first step. At Patron Accounting, we don't just help you to get an Shop Act license, we'll guide you with a compliance, taxation and growth strategies. Contact us today and let's build your business together.